once you've customized your map and gotten it to look the way you want it to look, the final step of this lab will be exporting the map and adding a title, north arrow, and some other items. So in order to do that, we're going to hit project and new print layout. We create a print layout and we need a unique name. So we're going to say Harrington Island, made a couple. So I'm going to put a couple numbers at the end now. Click OK, and it'll bring us into this window. First, I'm going to left click, say page properties, and I'm going to make mine a square. So 210 by 210. Next, I'm going to add an item and click add shape and add rectangle. This is going to be the background. So you can choose a background color right here in style. I'm just going to keep mine white. Next, we're going to add an item again and go ahead and throw our map in. So add map. We see this cross on the screen. Just going to drag it across. We're going to need some room for the borders, the title. So that looks good to me. Next, here on the left, I'm going to click this move item content, and that way I can move the map inside. I'm going to zoom in by just using my trackpad. That looks good to me. And now let's go ahead and add a scale bar. So add scale bar. I'm going to put mine right here. All right, now it's in meters. Here on the right, we can see units. Change it to miles. You can see it changed the length. So it is accurate based off the map settings. We're going to need to keep the label unit multiplier there because you can see when I change it to 0.5, changes the numbers, but it doesn't change the actual length. So that's not to scale. So we're just going to keep it as 1. But I will make a couple more segments. And I'm also going to change the style to a stepped line. Okay, so we have our scale bar. Now we're going to add a north arrow. And also change the shape or style of that arrow. I go ahead and choose that one. Okay, now let's go back to our map. Click it, and we're in item properties. Now we're going to add a border. So we click grids and add grid and modify grid. And we're going to need to change these intervals. So I'm going to do 700 by 1200. Let's switch that. And we also want, whoops. We also want the latitude and longitude numbers to add a frame. You can add whatever frame you like. So I'm going to do interior and exterior ticks. But there are a couple different frames you can choose. Okay. And we want to scroll down and press draw coordinates on the left. I'm going to disable them as well as on top. And then I'm going to change the size and font as well. Again to Helvetica. Let's make the size 8. You're free to customize the map how you like. Um, Something else I'm gonna do is so now that's all set. We got our border and our numbers for latitude and longitude. So I'm gonna go back to item properties and also for the grid type and appearance, I'm gonna do blend mode and press burn, and that way it's not on the white part of my map here.